Is that too bright? It might be. I don't even know if I can't see if I'm in focus or not. Anyway, so let's go back here somewhere. There we go. I did something recently that I didn't think would affect me as much as it did. So, if any of you have had, well, what can I say? I'm assuming that other photographers who are watching this have a collection. All the things you've acquired over the years, the bodies, the lenses, the filters, the accessories, that kind of thing. The whole glorious collection displayed on a shelf or a display somewhere in your home or your office or your studio. So, as things have been progressively transforming into what my life is now becoming, there's certain financial liberties that need to be taken, or certain financial decisions that probably need to be taken or factored in. What I'm trying to say is I sold a shitload of my gear. So I sold all my beginner gear. I say beginner gear, it's the stuff I started with and my small little collection of stuff. So it was my 90D, my 7200s, my 50mm, my 24mm, and my 18 to 35 Sigma. Gone, sold. All those memories and the beginning of the journey, the videos, the images, the places, the people, the views, gone with it. Now that sounds kind of dramatic because it's just a bit of equipment, it's just a camera, it's just a tool. It's just a camera, it's just a tool, it's just lenses. But it got me thinking about how far those things have got me and where I am now with my new equipment. It made me appreciate that 3 years ago I was starting this little journey, this little venture into the side of my creativity that I always wanted to kind of hold on to and see how far I could run with it. And it's made me think that it's humbling to remember your beginnings. It's humble to remind yourself the little mistakes, the stories, the F-ups, the experiences that all come with this journey into our creativity with regards to our cameras and our filming and photos, etc. And it's comforting to know that I'm not the only one that's been on this journey. You know, I won't ever be the only one to be on this journey who have had to sacrifice some things for the greater good or even just to pay the bills. But I hope that if you do ever find yourself in that situation, that you can take a moment or two like I have and just sit back and go, if it wasn't for that, I wouldn't be where I am now. And hopefully you can say the same as me, that the place you are now isn't necessarily all that bad. If it is, then we can talk about it. But just take that little moment to register how far you've come and what you've done and what excitement there is yet to discover as you pursue and as you progress and as you venture further into this wonderful little world of creativity that we do. That's pretty much it. I had to get that out of there, so see ya.